Hi, I'm Rob from Affordable Comfort, and today we're going to talk about EV chargers in Barrie. Tesla chargers are not merely accessories, but essential components that offer fast, convenient charging, enabling you to maximize the use of your Tesla. The benefits of installing a Tesla charger in Barrie. With the increasing adoption of electric vehicles in the area, owning a Tesla charger means that you can avoid the uncertainties associated with public charging networks. It's about ensuring your Tesla is always charged and ready, providing peace of mind and the freedom to enjoy the electric driving experience to its fullest. When it comes to Tesla charger installations in Barrie, expertise and reliability of your installation service cannot be overstated. Your installer should not only possess a deep understanding of Tesla's charging infrastructure, but also share a commitment to delivering a smooth, aesthetically pleasing installation process. From selecting the optimal location for your charger to ensuring your home's electrical setup is up to the task. Preparing for your Tesla charger installation. First, identify the most practical location for the charger, considering where your vehicle is typically parked. Next, assess your home's electrical capacity to support the charger, an evaluation best conducted by your chosen installation professional. Understanding the cost involved and any specific local regulations that apply to your installation will also help streamline the process. The journey to efficient Tesla charger installations in Barrie is one that promises to enhance your EV experience significantly. It's not just about ensuring your vehicle is charged and ready for each new day, but about making a conscious choice towards a more sustainable, technology-driven lifestyle. If you're interested in an electric vehicle charger, give Affordable Comfort a call and we're happy to help you. Bye for now.